How to block spam in Gmail. In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you on how you can go ahead and block the spam emails in Gmail. So if there is any email that is bugging you or keeps arriving in your spam and you just don't want it there and your inbox is constantly flooded with it, this is what you need to do. So let's start with the most basic and common action, marking a message as spam. When you receive an unwanted email, simply open it. So let's say I'm going to come over here. Now you open it up, and what you can do is you can go ahead and report it as spam. And once you report it as spam, you can also unsubscribe from it and accordingly. And when you do this, Gmail automatically removes the email from your inbox. But more importantly, it helps Gmail's algorithm learn which type of emails you consider spam. Now that's just the beginning. What if you're constantly getting messages from the same sender or domain and you're tired of manually reporting them each time? That's where Gmail's filtering system comes in. So what you do is you come over here to your settings and you go to see all settings. And over here, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the filtered and blocked addresses. And what you do is just go ahead and create a new filter for yourself. And in the from, you're going to add whatever that email has come from. You know, whatever, wherever the spam emails come from, you're going to add their at. And once that is done, you're simply going to add them. And what happens is those emails are filtered and blocked permanently. And that is how you can go ahead and block your spam emails in Gmail. So that is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end. And I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.